Hi, good morning. It's Gina here and welcome to my channel. It is morning for me. It's Saturday morning and I felt like doing a journal page. This was the page that we did last time, or that I guess I did last time. It was our first page and I wanted to do another one. And I thought I would go over just quickly what I'm going to be using. I did try to limit my supplies. I find that it helps me to stay focused rather than stopping to go and look through everything I own to try to figure out what to do next. So I grabbed a few supplies. I grabbed some tissue paper and I got this. It's called Nest and Eggs. It is eggs. It might be a little early for Easter, but I chose this because I thought it went well with the coloring and everything that we did on this page. So a lot of times, you'll do a full spread so that everything, you're doing it at the same time. I didn't. I only did the one side. So I kind of did want it to kind of go together and not be completely different. I guess it doesn't really matter, but I thought, let's just try to keep it in the same color family. So I thought that would go well. And I pulled some stencils. This one's from Folk Art. This one is from Magenta. I'm not sure if I'll use this one. This was the one I originally pulled. And so I pulled a stamp from Bo Bunny. It's called Wall to Wall. Okay, and I've got some inks because I pulled stamps, so I need inks. So I grabbed some inks, and mine are archival ink from Ranger in Cobalt Blue, Thistle, and Ground Espresso. And I've got, the Elegant Writer pen. I grabbed that, thought that might be fun. And I grabbed two colors from the oil pastels, Dark Ochre, and I can barely see it, Sky Blue. So we'll see how that goes. And these are actually more tools as far as I see them. I've got heavy gesso, the modeling paste, and Mod Podge, and some brushes, and a little spatula. So that's what I'm going to be using, and at some point, I don't know, I might need to go find a focal point at the end, we'll see, but that's what I've got. That's what I'm going to try to stick to, and I'm ready to get going. Let's start. Before I get started, I will probably go ahead and speed it up for you. Just wanted to kind of give you a heads up there, and we'll talk at the end. Okay, I'm back to you. What do you think? I really like it. I'm trying to see if I can get this closer. This book is so long. This slide's kind of getting in my way. Here we go. Okay, there. Can you see it better? What do you think? I love how it turned out. I think it's, it has bolder colors than this side, but that's okay. I mean, the color scheme seems to work, at least for me. And I chose these words, these phrases: choose to see the good and keep moving forward. It just spoke to me today because, sometimes when you create, you don't always like what you do, but sometimes if you look hard, you'll find something good. You'll find some process, or even if it's just one little area of the piece that you like. So choose to see the good in what you do and not just focus on the negative and maybe what you don't like or maybe where you think you messed up. So choose to focus on what you do good and build upon that. And with that goes keep moving forward. This is an art journey that I'm on, and that I invite you to share and come along with me. And you know, you learn and you grow every time you try to make something. Sometimes you love how it turns out. Sometimes you like it, and sometimes you might not really like it at all. But again, find something in it that you do like and learn and build upon it. And just keep moving forward and keep building on every experience that you have. So that's going to be it for this one. I hope you did enjoy it. Give me the thumbs up if you like it. And I will put my list of my products down in the description, and you might see some links to some of the products. So that's one way that YouTubers can try to make just a little bit of money, is we will link to the products. And if you click on our link, that's a great way to support us, because it doesn't cost anything extra to you. It lets the companies know that through me you were interested in this product, and you were interested in buying it. So my YouTube channel is too small to actually make money off of any kind of endorsements or advertisements, but this is one way that you can help if you would like to. So look for those in the product description below. But anyway, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.